There's a bit of pressure din sa Barangay Ginebra. They want to go back-to-back again. They want to be that, put that first foot in para makakuha na yung pagka-champion. Diba? We're tied at 2 apiece. Hinahabol nila ito mga game number 5. Ito, 2 apiece na tayo, Dre.
Sabi nga nila, it's like a heavyweight match in series na to. 1 win, 1 loss, body ka ng rounds eh.
Veterano si ABC, Air Black, no?
Averaging 14 points in this final. Speaking of averaging points, Justin Brownlee. With a basketball. Nice crossover. Sasaksak Scottie. Naiwanan lahat. With a layup.
Kaya namang BPC, the crowd loves it, Dre. Pero talagang makikita mo yung separation nung nag-cross no? Nag-crossover itong si Scottie. Yung crossover talagang nawala. Si Chris Newsom doon sa crossover nitong si Scottie. Ay, nako.
As Brownlee is feeling it in this game.
Very efficient, very high field goal percentage. Has he missed? Baka isa lang, ano? Parang hindi pa nag-miss itong si Justin Brownlee.
Mahirap tansyahin kung kailan ko siya
Totoo.
100% healthy. Pero dyan, kita natin, healthy si Japet Aguilar, supalpal si Tony Bishop. And partner, kanino natin i-credit yung block na yun? Wonderful game, first quarter so far pinakita dito. At Scottie bumali pa to get that layup to go.
Grabe.
Dribbles the ball out na si Ginebra.
Justin Brownlee naman, finally. Pero Justin Brownlee,
Nakukuha ni Brownlee against Hodge. He likes that spot. Foul! At meron pang bucket para kay Justin Brownlee.
tingnan natin yung depensa mo, di ba? Hand in face, naka-challenge si Cliff Hodge. And may pasok pala niya, di ba? Si Justin Brownlee.
Para sa Barangay Ginebra, Brownlee 1-on-1 kay Maliksi. Shoots over everybody. Gets it to go.
One of those magical games again for Justin Brownlee. 14 puntos. Yan, total again. Not a lot of misses magmula sa
atake. Binigay kay Brownlee. Brownlee. That is good for Justin Brownlee. 17 points right now for JB.
Well, I'm sure medyo na-frustrate ang rebound. Contrast, no? Contrast sa nilalaro ni Justin Brownlee. Shoot ng shoot, Justin Brownlee. High percentage, very efficient. Very low percentage naman on the other side yung reinforcement ng Meralco na si Tony.
22.
Single digits. In a finals game, di ba, you have to produce points like that. My friend.
He is on fire.
Yes, sir. What is this? Is this 30 points na ba? Ilan na ba ito para kay Justin? Let's we'll check the numbers shortly.
Justin Brownlee just taking over. Pero si Hutchan, supalpal lang inabot kay Scottie Thompson.
Scottie doing a lot of things again para sa Barangay Ginebra. Kanina lang yung magandang shovel pass.
65-56, single digits ulit to. Scottie bumali pa sa ere. Gets that layup to go.
How?
Bigay kay Thompson for 3. Scottie with a 3.
You just have to recognize as the best player of the conference partner. Cannot be late. Maganda siya sa corner na gano'n.
Scottie, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Brownlee, this is his spot. With another 3.
My goodness. One of those magical nights, my friend, para dito kay Justin Brownlee.
At third quarter pa lang. Thompson, init ang kamay. That is good for Scottie.
Naka-challenge naman itong si Chris Dusa, pero naipasok pa rin. Corner three-pointer. Oh.
Again, 4 seconds on the shot clock. Step back. Scottie with a shot.
That is too much. Medyo
What
tough shot
game?
na yun eh. Yeah, but dami. Mostly care of this gentleman right here. Patuloy ang magical game ni Justin Brownlee.
At na-foul pa siya doon ni
Na-foul
Black.
pa.
Can't play with foul trouble in this game. Scottie Thompson, iwan na iwan si Tony Bishop.
Just have to find it.
Manages to get that basketball.
Wow.
Brownlee inside gets fouled. Was the basket for Justin Brownlee.
Clifford Hodge issuing a hard foul. Justin's okay naman, I think. Yeah, he's fine.
Just the finals foul from Cliff Hodge.
Saktan. Talagang napakaganda na ginagawa ni Justin Brownlee. He'll try all types of ways para ma-stop.
Ooh, almost, but look at Thompson skying high for that rebound.
My goodness, getting that one from Tony Bishop, of all people.
kalahating tao yung tinanong ni Scottie Thompson on that one. Look, he was half a box.
We're not able to see Coach Norman, but I'm
Thompson.
sure he's saying rebound.
Bang!
Oh!
Big shot for Scottie!
Sakit nun para sa Meralco Bulls because unable to get that rebound. Multiple chances, as you mentioned, para makakuha.
Brownlee naman, atake ngayon. Fade away. Ooh! Big fade away for Justin Brownlee.
Ito naman yung defenders, di ba primary yan doon?
Not fouled by Aaron Black. Ginebra takes Game 5 of the PBA Final Series and leads it 3-2.
It's actually correct. Para ako nakakita ng magaling na swerte pa ng Barangay Ginebra. Of course, going back to the shots of Arvin 19 and won by Scottie.